barrel on the track.
What's going on, guys? Frontosa for life here, and just wanted to revisit this double 40-gallon breeder rack build I did. This is just an update. I found the rack a lot cheaper because it's discontinued on the original link I used from Lowe's. So I found it a little cheaper for you guys, so I wanted to do an update of this video just to help you guys out. As you'll see, I no longer have the 40-gallon breeder sitting on the top there. Sold a lot of fish in that tank, and no need in having that big ugly tank just sitting there. I actually just store a lot of stuff up top. These shelves are rated. I think it's like 1,000+ pounds per shelf. So yeah, that's what I use it for. And as I said in the previous video, I have the plywood because it rests directly on the rails. I added that because it was just more stable, in my opinion. You can see it right there below the tank as well. But yeah, I wanted to help you guys out. You know, I had many of you commenting on the original video saying you were going to do it, and so I just found a cheaper, you know, deal for you guys. Still same manufacturer who makes these, but the old, like I said, the prior link was discontinued. They no longer have it available online. So just wanted to help you guys out. Get in the comment box, let me know what you're doing. If you plan on doing this or you have already done it, you know, just let me know. Hope this helps you guys out, and as always, keep on swimming. I have some various things going on here. Ngara Flametail on the left, young Lawanda on the right. So they're still kicking, growing, eating. You know how fish do. But yeah, I wanted to help you guys out with that. Let me know what you're up to. Give me your thoughts. Thank you, guys. Later.
Deep barrel on the track.